Hi, we have just reached hot spring. We're walking towards the hot spring right now. Our friends are walking. Hello, welcome. This is the video of Shivraj Bhadwaj. I would like to say something. We are here in this place. This place is called Jakrem. It's a hot spring. The water here is very warm inside. Okay, we're gonna enjoy it. Okay? And as we move there, we're gonna show you some videos. Okay, what you see here is this river. This is called Ungi River. We'll be going to Ungi. And around this place, okay, do you see those huts there? Okay, those are places which we can take a bath. Okay, and it's very warm inside. Okay, so you're gonna enjoy the space. Okay. Hey, we are returning from this hot water spring, and my friend behind is there. He wants to click selfie only all the time. He wants to click photo for him all the time. The behind one, that behind, you see that one. Of course, he's handsome. The man who made this video.